guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 festive hairstyles for curly hair. So let's get started. But before we start, it is very important to style and prep your hair, especially when you have curly hair. So I'm going to be using the BBLUNT High Definition Curl Defining Leave-In Cream. Take 2 pumps of this on your fingertips and apply it on damp hair. Apply it from your midlands to ends just the way I'm doing it, using your fingertips, and then go towards the roots. And then also try scrunching your hair because you don't want to open up your curls too much, but just moisturize it and keep the curls intact. Once you have applied it, it is very important to finger twist your hair. This is done so that you don't open up your curls at all, but just enhance it, and also make sure that the cream is applied around your curls from midlands to ends. Now for the first hairstyle, I'm going to begin by taking a side section like this. I'm going to split that into 2 equal halves. It's super easy, we're going to be twisting it, so take the front section over the back section. Now once you're done twisting it once, use your thumb and add some hair into the section, and then twist it at the back. So you're doing a regular twist where you're taking the front section over the back section and moving it towards the back, but along the twist you are also adding small sections of hair from the side into the main section and then twisting it normally. If you get this, this is a super easy 5-minute hairstyle that you can actually recreate every day because you have curly hair. You just want to keep all of the frizz and curls away from your face, and you can leave the rest of it all open. You can choose to take finer sections if you're good at it, or you can just take thick sections and do it twice or thrice and then just twist it normally at the back and secure it. Once you're done securing it, just make sure that you cover it with some hair. And because these are festive hairstyles, I want to dress it up a little bit, and for that I'm going to be using the BBLUNT One Night Stand Temporary Hair Color in Blue Velvet and Copper. So I'm just going to take medium-sized sections and I'm going to spray the blue velvet just towards the ends. I'm going to take copper and I'm going to put it towards my midlands and ends, and I really like how the blue has blended in so naturally in the copper color. I really love how the copper shade has added this richness into my hair and blended in so naturally into my hair color. So for the second hairstyle, I'm going to start off by using a headband like this. Take a 2-inch small section in the front and braid that into a regular 3-strand braid. Obviously, pull on the braid to add some volume in it. I'm sure you guys know the drill. Secure it with a rubber band and take it towards the back and tuck in. Make sure to secure it here with bobby pins. Now take a small strand of hair right below the braid and take it towards the back. Start twisting it and wrapping it around the headband. Wrap it twice or thrice till you cover half of the headband. And then simply repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Again, I really love this hairstyle, especially for curly hair, because you're keeping your hair away from your face, your curls are yet showing from the front and the back, and you have this beautiful twist hairstyle right at the back. You can choose to keep this hairstyle slightly messy and effortless. I think the twists at the back go really well with the hairstyle. Now for the third hairstyle, which is a really easy updo, begin by taking a section of hair from one ear to the other ear. Secure the top hair away. Now for the rest of the hair, just take it and wrap it around your left hand. Wrap it around like that, forming a bun, and then secure it from all the sides using U-pins. Now for the rest of your hair, start splitting it into medium-sized sections. You can choose to take the sections as big or small as you like. Take the sections, keep twisting it, open it up a little bit and secure it around the bun. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Now with the top section, slightly twist it and push it towards the front so you get a little bit of volume on the top, and then secure it around the bun. Now for the front sections, I randomly chose to take whatever I felt was looking nice. So you can choose to leave a little bit of hair around your face, or you can choose to take all of it towards the back. I really love this bun, and I know this one will go really well if you have curly hair. So that's about it for the video, you guys. I hope all of my girls who have curly hair find it easy to style their hair. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Bye!